Hello, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 2nd, 2025, and we're analyzing Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD, by reviewing the latest market data and relevant news. We'll examine recent events and correlate them with candlestick patterns to anticipate future price action. Let's begin with the current news landscape surrounding Bitcoin. Recently, we've seen headlines about Trump hosting a crypto summit at the White House next week, suggesting a potentially more favorable regulatory environment. Also, Saylor's MicroStrategy continues to add to its Bitcoin holdings, demonstrating ongoing institutional belief in Bitcoin's long-term value. Reuters reported crypto prices tumbled as Trump-fueled euphoria faded, suggesting a possible short-term correction. CoinDesk reports the recent inflows come amid a slight market recovery over growing pro-crypto stance from the Trump administration. Now, let's transition to the daily chart and analyze the candlestick data. We can observe that, since late October 2023, Bitcoin has generally been in an uptrend, experiencing periods of consolidation and volatility along the way. Notably, we see a significant surge in late February 2024 pushing Bitcoin to new highs. However, there's also been considerable retracement, indicating strong selling pressure at certain levels. From the beginning of December 2024 to today, March 2nd, 2025, Bitcoin has went from about 40,000 to about 86,000, which is over 100% increase in value. Zooming in on the more recent price action, we see some pullback and bearish signals after reaching new all-time highs. Let's filter to show February 1st, 2025 onwards. From February 1st, 2025 to March 2nd, we've seen a choppy sideways movement with some large drops, likely caused by BlackRock's IBIT outflows. This recent choppiness suggests investor uncertainty and a potential for further correction. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at potential short-term trading opportunities. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that over the last few days there is significant choppiness. Let's narrow it down even further to only show the last 24 hours, from March 1st, 2025 to March 2nd, 2025. The hourly chart reveals key support around $60,500 to $61,500, which has been tested several times. Resistance seems to be forming in the $63,000 area. Breaking above this resistance could signal a bullish continuation, while breaking the support could lead to a bearish move towards $58,000. Let's move to the 15-minute chart to see if we can find any more short-term information. Looking at the 15-minute chart, the price appears to be consolidating, displaying volatility and a tight trading range. This indicates indecision in the market. It's important to watch for a breakout from this consolidation pattern to determine the immediate direction. If price breaks above $86,100, a long position could be considered, but a break below $85,600 could signal a move towards $85,000 or lower. Let's look at the period around February 25th to see if we can find more interesting chart patterns on the 15-minute charts. To recap, it's important to watch the following key levels. Support levels, $60,500 to $61,500 on the hourly, and $85,600 on the 15-minute chart. Resistance levels, $63,000 on the hourly, and the recent highs on the daily. Given the news and the chart data, here are some unbiased short and long-term predictions. Short term. Next few days, I think a period of sideways trading in a 60-40 chance until Trump's crypto summit on March 7th, followed by a break to either $63,000 resistance or $60,500 support, based on the summit news. Long term, I think Bitcoin will revisit its all-time high and push for the $80,000 to $85,000 area with a 70% chance by the end of April 2025, provided ETFs continue to have positive inflow.